Hello world, I'm Freddy. In this pandemic, we do a lot of video conference, and it crossed my mind that can we use our phone camera wirelessly as external camera to our laptop? Maybe you've been thinking the same way as I do. So, in today's video, I will show you how to use your phone camera as the OBS video capture device. But before that, please subscribe to my channel so you'll get notification if new videos are uploaded. Okay, let's start. First, you go to your favorite browser and open OBS Ninja. Click Create Reusable Invite. Then you can just generate the invite link. Copy this and then send to your phone. I will just use Telegram to send it to my phone. On your phone, just open the link and click Share Your Camera. Okay, back to the OBS Ninja. Copy the URL below and then go to your OBS. OBS stands for Open Broadcaster Software. Okay, click the plus sign and click on Linux browser or just browser if you use Mac. What if the browser option is not available? Don't worry, there is another video on how to enable the browser options. Please check my videos on my channel. Click OK. Then just paste the URL from the OBS Ninja. You can click OK. I will just go to my phone. Go to your phone, click the URL, then click on Share Your Camera, then click Start. Okay, as you can see now, we have the second camera from our phone. That's it. You can adjust the position of the camera on the UBS. Okay, there is a little bit delay, but I think that's okay. That's it. Now I have my phone as second camera on the OBS. If you have any question or suggestion, please comment below. I will more than happy to answer. Stay safe everyone, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye. Also bye. Bye.